Okay, let's work on showing and hiding this list based on whether or not the user has clicked right here. So this is where it gets really, really interesting with Tailwind. Make sure I don't butcher this. So underneath the list ref, what we're going to do, we're going to get a data display, and that's going to equal closed. We're going to give it a class name, and we're going to say absolute, and width full, and that shouldn't really do much yet. That's good. It put it up underneath there, so that's fine. We're going to leave the BG and the text on the margin top. We'll give it like 2. Let's look at that. Okay. Gives it a little bit of space. Padding 2, and padding Y, we'll give it a 2. Let's give our list a little bit of room there. Okay, max height is going to be 350 pixels, which I guess is coming off the screen now. That's fine. That's fine. Overflow, Y, scroll. Okay, that's good. We didn't have our overflow on there, so that's why that did that. Let's give it a Z of 20 just to make sure that it's going to be above other things. We're going to give it a rounded bottom XL. We give it a shadow LG, which you probably can't see because it's all black. If we went to our app and we made it PG, let's call it slate, something like that maybe. Give it a different color. At least now you can see there's a shadow. I like that color. And we can go ahead here and add our on select equals just to have it in there, even though it's not going to do anything yet. We go to inspect. We'll see that nothing is happening when we click. Okay, so I'll go back here. So now the next cool thing about this is we want to open it and close it. So, okay, we'll come back to that. Let's do this next. Up here where we have our trigger ref, we're going to say on click equals handle trigger click. And then up here, const handle trigger click. And we're going to say if list ref dot current. And what we will do is we're going to get the current status, const current status equals list ref dot current dot get attribute. Whoops. Should be a capital A, sorry. Attribute, and this is going to be our data display, and then we're going to say list ref dot current dot set attribute data display, and the current status, if it's equal to open, we're going to make it closed. Otherwise, we're going to make it open. And I believe if we go to our elements and we inspect like our list, data display is open, closed. Okay, so it's not doing anything yet, but see, it is changing the status. So now what we need to do is actually make it affect this little box right here. So we're going to do that in the next video because that's going to take a second.